In this video, we will show you how to set up the LiveTrack feature in the Garmin Connect app. For more information, see the FAQ link in the description. To enable LiveTrack, you will need a compatible Garmin device paired with the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone. For this video, we will use a Forerunner 965 paired with an Apple iPhone, but the instructions are similar on Android smartphones. Start by opening the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone. Then access the menu by selecting More in the bottom right corner of an Apple iPhone, or the three-line icon in the upper left of an Android smartphone. Now select Safety and Tracking, followed by LiveTrack. Then select Set up LiveTrack, followed by agreeing to the data and privacy policy. Now you can select the contacts you'd like to share your LiveTrack with. You can enable email to send a LiveTrack link to designated recipients. Select Add Recipient to add up to 50 LiveTrack recipients. Then select OK to enable the Garmin Connect app access to your phone's contacts. Select a contact. Now follow the prompts to finish setup. When ready, select Finish Setup. Select the three-dot icon in the upper right, followed by Settings to set up and enable how you share your LiveTrack and with whom. Depending on your device's features, you may also see options to set up Group Track. You will also be able to extend your LiveTrack session details for 24 hours after the session ends. Once you have selected your desired settings, press the back arrow in the upper left. You can now either manually enable LiveTrack or toggle Auto Start to On. Enabling Auto Start will automatically start LiveTrack whenever you start the timer for a GPS activity. Just a reminder, Garmin devices that don't have an active LTE subscription will need to be connected to your smartphone through the entire activity for the LiveTrack session to update. And that's it. You can now enable LiveTrack in the Garmin Connect app. For more help, visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.